Hello student, welcome to programming mode. I hope that you all are safe, stay home, stay safe. In this video, we will discuss that how to make a math expression in Python programming. So, if you are new in my channel, so please like, subscribe, and share, and press bell icon. Now, start the tutorial 4 of Python programming, math expression and operations in Python programming. In previous videos, we discussed that how to make a variable for numbers, variable for strings, and print statement in Python programming. In tutorial 4, uh, we will discuss more concept of Python programming, how to make an expression, how to perform a mathematical calculation in Python programming. So, I'll declare a variable name daily pay, means daily pay of any person. 100 means $100, 100 rupees, as you uh, daily pay 100. Monthly income, how to find the monthly income? uh, you know that in 1 month, about approx 30 days, so we can perform in monthly income mathematical calculation. So multiply daily pay multiply by 30. So we make a simple expression that how to find the monthly income. So we use daily pay and multiply by 30. So we can find the value of monthly income. So we make a simple expression and print monthly income. I'll put uh, first line, declare variable name, value daily pay, value is 100. In second line, declare another variable name is monthly income, and perform mathematical expression and write some mathematical expression. Use daily pay variable, value is 100. So daily pay value is 100 multiplied by 30. So uh, answer of daily pay multiplied by 30 is stored in monthly income, and in the next step write print statement, and stored value of monthly income is print in print statement. So you can see your output. My output is 3000 rupees, dollar, and so on. Now I will make another expression for semester. Semester fees. One semester fees is 40,000. Just declare, not a perfect value. Semester fees 40,000, and one semester fees 40,000, and all semester is equals to I'll declare a variable name all semester and write semester fees multiply by 8 in computer science. In computer science subject, bachelor in computer science, I have 8 semesters. So one semester fee is 40,000 and multiply by 8. So 40,000 multiplied by 8 answer is stored in all semester fees. यहाँ पे add fees. So I make another expression how to find the all semester fees. So you can see the simple expression performing multiplication and print all semester fees. Now run. You can see that the output is 3,20,000. Overall semester fees is 3,20,000 of bachelor's in computer science in Pakistan, not other countries. In Pakistan, 3,000 for 3,20,000 overall semester fees. So you can see that how to make an expression in Python programming simple.